You are doing the couple trips or family trips?
Family.
Where's the rest of the family?
Somewhere.
Somewhere. We have to find.
Oh, you have photo?
Not photo. I generally talk to people,
Hmm.
but today I don't have a topic. You speak English?
Yeah.
So what's bothering you today?
Me. I don't know which place I need to visit. I'm new to Pondicherry. Like,
Of course,
I'm
of
in
course.
Chennai.
I can tell.
I just travel here just to visit. So I'm clueless where to go next.
Okay, so let's talk for a bit so that we figure out where we have to go next. You, me, and the rest of your family. My name is Arya. What we are watching right now is Goodman Pondi. So our effort is to talk to people, take their perspective. Today I don't have a topic, but you have something which is affecting you, which is where to go next. So what is the options? What are the options?
Actually, I searched internet and asked ChatGPT. So it gave me few options.
Adatpa, ayyo.
It asked us to go for a beach
Beach.
in White Town,
White Town. We are in White Town. We are at the beach.
Is this White Town?
Yeah, this is White Town only.
interior areas.
Where is Serenity? It suggested Serenity.
Serenity?
and-
So Serenity is another beach. I think another 4 kilometers from here. And you'll have a fishing village over there. And there are stone piers on both sides, so you can enter the water.
Okay.
It's little safe to go to the water, enjoy in the water. And the view is exactly the same. No difference in the view. Okay, what are the next other options?
So this one, the other one, Serenity. Then what is that? Some ferry ride? Ferry ride something?
The boat rides, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so boat ride are on the other side, that side.
Okay.
That's another 3-4 kilometers.
But not here, right? They said the Paradise Beach
The Paradise Beach is another 3-4 kilometers ahead
from here.
from here. So right now we are at the center
Mm.
of the town. And that side we have Auroville, Serenity.
Okay.
And this side we have those boating rides and Paradise Beach. So yeah, I think for now you can enjoy your walk.
Yeah.
It's a nice time to go around here, look at people. That's what I'm also doing.
So you're a YouTuber, is it?
Yeah, we can say I am a YouTuber of sorts. Generally I do websites for a living,
Okay.
but as a side hustle, I like to do this. You can check out my. You should check out.
Godman Pondi.
Actually, Goodman Pondi. But yeah, many people end up saying Godman Pondi. I'm also thinking of venturing into Godman type of things. வணக்கம் தம்பி எப்படி இருக்கீங்க ஓ வா சூப்பர் செப்பல் யார் வாங்கி கொடுத்தாங்க
சொல்லுங்க இப்படி
How old is 3 ஆ
2.5.
சரி பாட்டிக்கு தவளை கொடுக்காதீங்க ஓகேவா ஓகே நாட் ஓகே
ஓகே
நாட் ஓகே சரிப்பா ஓகேவா மன்னிச்சிடுங்க
Alright.
நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் பார்ப்போம்
Good night.
see you bye bye all the best I am looking for a set of 3 people
No.
it's okay don't be sorry so what do we have hi bro na bro tension ஆவறீங்க bros வந்து VIPs VIP you're nicely dressed bro and you're looking in a beachy vibes totally what made you is it first trip in Pondi
Yep, this is my first time in Pondicherry.
first time in Pondi and you're enjoying it I believe
Yep.
okay
So it's our first day today.
first day only
Yeah.
we are having a center stage where we have an eager one going to tell us about her experience so far in life. What has life taught you?
Oh my god. Please.
Oh, life taught me so many things. What can I say?
Profoundly, what has life taught you?
Nothing. Just travel, enjoy your life. Yeah. It's been like so long since we have traveled. I think we decided to travel every month.
So we
I
go on
think
a trip every month, basically.
You usually go.
Yeah, we usually go. So it was a break for 2 months that we didn't go for a trip. So it felt like we are laid back for 2 months. So we just thought of backpacking a trip for Pondi. So,
Interesting.
Yeah, so we have been to every bits and pieces of Karnataka, all over Karnataka.
Hubli,
Covered almost
Dharwad.
90% of it we have
I'm
covered.
basically
Hampi.
from Hubli.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
interesting.
It's my native.
So you were falling short of choices in Karnataka, so you decided to come to Tamil Nadu.
Profoundly, we could say that, yes.
Isn't it interesting? And I hope you have a good trip.
Yeah.
My name is Arya. What you have been watching so far is Goodman Pondi. And this is the time when we exchange pleasantries.
Oh, perfect.
I do websites for a living.
Oh.
And this to heal basically,
Oh.
isn't it?
Okay. Lovely.
Okay,
Nice
all the
meeting you.
best.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye bye. Vanakkam, 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 vanakkam. Now walking, huh? Walking. No, bro, chappal light up broken aids. இன்னைக்கு தான் broken ஆச்சா? இப்போதான். You are the couple travelers or family? என்ன தம்பி எங்கே போறீங்க? Walking. நான் எங்கேனா வாக்கிங்கா? Hi bros, very smart your shape. Talk to me, please. பேசாமல் போகிறீங்க அப்படியே பேசிட்டு போங்க. எங்கே போகிறீங்க?
Tamil,
Tamil no? Then which language?
English, Odia.
English ओडिया? आप भी ओडिया? English. पढ़ाई करते हो आप?
हाँ.
What you are studying?
10th.
10th. Finished?
Started.
Now started. Where is family?
No, school trip.
School trip?
Yes.
Which city in Odia? Odisha?
Koraput.
Koraput. North Odisha?
South.
South Odisha. So Bhubaneswar distance?
400 kilometers.
Oh, 400 kilometers. So Bhubaneswar north?
Bhubaneswar, middle.
Middle.
Center.
Life okay? Ambition, what is the ambition?
IFS officer.
IFS? Forest Service?
Foreign.
Foreign? Oh. Then you want to go foreign, huh? No? Okay, all the best. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Enjoy. Hi bros. Something special you talk to me. You know that you are a special person. You know that?
Yes.
Yes, no?
Yes.
Because God has given us many things. Many things God has given us. But some things He will give us different from others.
Yes.
When He gives something different from others, the other people make the fun.
Okay.
Other people make the fun.
Okay, understand.
But how you feel in your heart, I want to know.
Look, what kind of?
Like the shape of your ears is different, no?
Yes.
So you can turn like this. The shape is different, no?
Uh,
So in your child, everybody make fun, no? Huh? So how you feel? How you manage it?
I am very disappointed sometimes, and it is my हिंदी में बोलूँ
हाँ हिंदी.
ये मैं चाइल्डहुड से ही आया है सर,
हाँ.
इसलिए मैं तोड़ दिया. ऑलरेडी डॉक्टर बोला है इसको आप ठीक भी कर सकते हैं, लेकिन हम उसको नहीं किया.
हाँ. क्योंकि इसलिए मैं आपको बात करने के लिए बुलाया.
डॉक्टर बोला है वो ठीक हो जाएगा, लेकिन हम नहीं किया.
हमको करना नहीं है.
नहीं, हमको नहीं करना है.
क्योंकि
लोग जो सोचता है वो हमने
नहीं सोचना चाहिए ना. हाँ. तो आज हमारा ऑडियंस को बताना है कि दुनिया क्या भी सोचे बोले,
हाँ
हमको दिल में नहीं लेना चाहिए,
बस इतना ही.
है ना?
दुनिया कुछ भी बोला हम कुछ नहीं लेंगे.
दिल में नहीं लेना चाहिए,
जो हम लोग करते हैं वही कर रहे हैं.
है ना? जो मन में आता है करना चाहिए,
करना है.
अपना पैसा कमाना चाहिए
यस.
और अपना खर्चा करना चाहिए,
बस
है क्या ना?
Yes.
क्या काम करते हो आप?
हम सिविल इंजीनियर.
सिविल इंजीनियर. सुपर. गवर्नमेंट में, प्राइवेट में?
नहीं, प्राइवेट में.
प्राइवेट. ठीक है, ऑल द बेस्ट.
थैंक यू.
आप देख रहे हैं गुडमैन पॉन्डी. हमारा नाम है आर्या
ओके.
और आपका जैसा स्पेशल लोगों से बात करना ही हमारा.
मेरा इंस्टाग्राम आईडी भी है सो अनिल आर्या.
अनिल.
आर्या.
अनिल आर्या.
Yes.
आपका नाम है अनिल आर्या. ओह देखो, दो आर्या मिल गया ना आज, इसलिए मैंने बुलाया. ये लीजिए, इसमें ऐसा स्कैन करने से मेरा इंस्टाग्राम आ जाएगा.
हाँ उसमें आप रख दी, ये वीडियो आ जाएगा.
ये वीडियो आ जाएगा. थोड़ा सा ऐसा पास में आके बोलना पड़ेगा
क्या बोलना है
कि दोस्तों,
दोस्तों?
जिंदगी में
जिंदगी में
कुछ भी हो जाए,
कुछ भी हो जाए,
अपना दिल का बात सुनने का.
अपना दिल का बात सुनने का,
बस.
आर्या का बात भी सुनने का
सुन-
कभी कभी.
ऑल द बेस्ट.
All the best.
ठीक है, बाय बाय. बाय. वनकम पार्टी. I'll take the picture.
Thank you so much.
I am known for taking free pictures. Please.
Good. You take full building then for us.
Yes, yes. You want to fall back like near the staircase.
So you're already a photographer, is it?
Yeah, of sorts.
Okay.
Right, one little bit here. Ah, that's it. 1, 2. My name is Arya, and what we are watching right now is Goodman Pondy.
Okay.
And our effort is to talk to people and ask. Please, we can turn like this. Please, we can turn towards the camera. Please, please, like this, like this.
Yeah.
Ma'am, you in the center. Son, please. It is and you next to her. Yeah. So my name is Arya. What we are watching right now is Goodman Pondy, and our effort today is to meet the families, special families. Okay. Now my question is to you first. What do you want to be in life?
I don't know. I'm going to decide when I'm big.
How much big?
When I like finish my studies and see what I do.
You'll finish all the studies and then decide. Like me. Very good, very good. Interesting. What do you think he should be?
He should be a good human being. I don't have great aspirations from him, but whatever he likes, he should be that.
My dear ma'am, I must tell you that being a good human doesn't bring too much money.
That's fine. He'll get money. he'll do that. I
So
know.
the money part will be taken care of the father.
By the father, yes. That's the answer for it. The father, money part will be taken by the father. Good part will be done by the son. Yes.
And the managing part ma'am will do.
Done by the ma'am. Yes.
Interesting. Thank you for giving me a few moments of your time. My name is Arya. What you've been watching so far is Goodman Pandi. And please check yourself out in YouTube or Instagram.
Good. Thank you.
There is a scanner thing at the back. You can scan and it will come.
You are a content creator.
Yes, on Saturdays.
Okay. And
Otherwise, I make websites for a living.
okay.
And
Right from Pondi?
yes, we can say. Not natively, but more than half of the life has been in Pondi.
Okay.
Yeah.
The internet is quite
Yeah,
here.
later on.
We will do that.
Once you are back in your safe space, unwinding, at that,
Looking forward to that unwinding time.
isn't it? All the best.
Anything more this side or should go head
I
back?
don't know, where do you come from?
You come from Palace de Mai.
Palidamma, hey, you
Yeah.
came, huh? It's a nice time to walk,
Mhm.
and I think more action is over there.
Okay. Good enough. See that side. Okay. Nice to meet you, man.
Yes, lovely.
Okay.
All the best, okay? Interesting. Bro, you are solo traveler. Company travelers. பயந்துடுறாங்க வணக்கம் ஐயா. இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங். நீங்கள் பேசுனது அது அப்போ ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணலை, இப்போ பண்ணலாமா? வாங்க. அப்போ ரெக்கார்ட் பண்ணலை. நீங்கள் பின்னால் நின்றுந்தீங்க. வாங்க ஃப்ரண்ட்டில் வாங்க. வாங்க மறுபடியும் பேசுவோம். டீட்டெயிலாக பேச வேணாம். இப்போ கூட நம்ம இங்கே நிற்கிறோம்ல, இது கூட கேட்ச் ஆகும். நீங்கள் பேக் சைடு நின்னா வராது. இப்போ டியூட்டியில் இருக்கீங்க இல்லையா, அதானா? அதெல்லாம் வாங்க பேசிடலாம், அதெல்லாம் என்ன இருக்கு. ஒரு ரீல்ஸு ஒரு ஷார்ட்ஸ் வந்துடும், நீங்கள் ஃபேமிலிக்கு காட்டிடலாம். ஓ 1 2 3 4 5 6 all group. You are going in the sea or coming from the sea? You only going, you are not going. தமிழ் or தமிழ் தானே? வாங்க, நாங்கள் தமிழ் பீப்புள்ஸ் தேடிட்டு இருக்கோம். ப்ரோ இப்படி வாங்க, இப்படி வாங்க, இந்த பக்கம் அப்படியே லைனாக வந்துடுங்க. லைனாக ஓகே. நம்மகிட்டே ஒரு 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வந்துருக்குறாங்க. கடல் உள்ளே போயிட்டு வெளியில் வந்துருக்குறாங்க. ஸோ ப்ரோ மேம், ஒரு சின்ன கேள்வி, ரிப்ளை கொடுக்குறீங்களா? அவங்க பேசுகிறாங்க, அவங்களுக்கு என்ன, ஏன் அப்படி இந்த மாதிரி பொண்ணு வச்சுக்கிட்டே சுற்றிட்டு இருக்கீங்க? சரி, அவங்க பேசுகிறாங்க, உனக்கு என்னம்மா? உனக்கு என்னம்மா? என்ன இவங்க பேசுகிறாங்க, உனக்கு என்ன? கரெக்ட் தானே?
சரி சொல்லுங்க.
ஒன்றும் இல்லை, நீங்கள் தான் சொல்லணும்.
என்ன சொல்லணும்?
எனக்கு தமிழ் வந்து கொஞ்சம் வீக்.
ஓகே.
எனக்கு கொஞ்சம் டீச்சிங் கொடுத்தீங்கன்னா எனக்கு கொஞ்சம்.
என்ன டீச் பண்றது? அதை பத்தியாவது கேளுங்க, அப்பதான் டீச் பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே. ஸோ ஏம்மா நீ இப்படி எனக்கு பேச விடமாட்டுற? அது நான் கரெக்டாக சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். அது எப்படி சொல்கிறது?
ஏன் நீங்க என்ன பேச விட மாட்டீங்க?
ஏன் நீங்கள் என்ன பேச விட மாட்டீங்க? ஓ தேங்க்யூ. ஸோ என் பேர் ஆர்யா. நீங்கள் பார்க்குற சேனல் வந்து குட்மேன் பாண்டி. குட்மேன் பாண்டி. நீங்களும் பாண்டிச்சேரி?
எஸ், பாண்டிச்சேரி.
ஸோ கண்டிப்பாக நீங்கள் ஃபாலோ பண்ணி ஆகணும்.
ஓகே.
பிகாஸ் பாண்டிச்சேரி டு பாண்டிச்சேரி ஃபாலோ பண்ணி ஆகணும்.
எஸ், ஓகே.
கரெக்ட்ல? ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ எனக்கு தமிழ் டீச் பண்ணுறதுக்காக. நெக்ஸ்ட் டைம் இதோட பெட்டராக நான் கற்றுக்கிட்டு வரேன், ட்ரை பண்ணிட்டு வரேன்.
பை
பாய். கேமரா தான், வாப்பா வாப்பா தம்பி. ஹை ப்ரோ, சோலோ ட்ராவலர் யூ ஆர்? फैमिली? जिंदगी में कोई शिकवा तो नहीं, शिकवा नहीं. सर यू आर वॉकिंग बैक फिटनेस आना बैक साइड எப்படி பார்ப்பீங்க? Right, so we are into our effort this evening half an hour down the line, and this is the point when we start waiting for next half an hour and see who else comes into our frame and becomes a part of our existence. Yes, sir. Rooms. Tere bina. Hi, bros. Telangana, you are.
Yeah, Telugu.
Telangana. Andhra. All the best. India.
India. We are also India.
Wow, bros, very smart you are looking. Why don't you take in the center? Hey, let them come. You take right in the center, no? It will be a nice photo, no? You can take from here. Don't feel shy of others. You want me to take a picture? Because I take pictures for free. Yes, bro, you also want pictures? Pictures. Then take the pictures. Why you are worried? Oh wow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You all that Odisha school trip? Odisha school trip, no? Ah. Odisha. Right, so this is still not the time when we sign out from this useful effort of ours, which is called Goodman Pondy. I hope you have been enjoying this effort of ours so far, and you have been liking all the guests that we have had on our frame this evening. We will have to hold on to this effort of ours until next week, because that is when we will be changing our location. No, duty la? Duty, ah?
Duty da.
Safety duty.
Safety duty. இங்கே அசுத்தம் பண்ணுறவங்க
அவங்களுக்கு இன்சார்ஜ் நீங்கள்
இன்சார்ஜ் பிச்சை எடுக்கிறாங்க மற்ற டிஸ்டர்ப்
அவங்களுக்கு வந்து தள்ளுவாங்க
அவங்கள துரத்தி விடணும். அப்புறம் இந்த மாங்காய்
ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் போலீஸ்
ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் போலீஸ்
சொல்லலாம்.
முனிசிபாலிட்டி கண்ட்ரோலில் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் போலீஸ் தான். ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் ஆஃப் போலீஸ்னா போலீஸ் மாதிரி நீங்கள் ரொம்ப நல்லா பண்ணுறீங்க. நான் பார்த்துனாங்க
உங்களை மாதிரி பீப்புள்ஸ் கிட்ட பேசுறது தான் நம்மளுடைய வேலை.
நல்ல விஷயம் தான். 4 பேர் நல்லது செய்யுது நன்மை தானே.
நன்மை தானே. Nice shirt, bro. New shirt, I think. Oh wow. Welcome to my frame. We need to spend our time for quality purposes, and if you ask me, for a change, yes, it is fine, but I like when there is a depth to the frame. Right now the frame is flat. There is no depth. And I've been doing this last year and it was fine. People were coming and engaging with me. But this is not such an interesting work for me to be in a frame without any depth. So I think in the next one I'm going to get back to my depth frame. Vanakkam. Andhra. Tamil Nadu. Karnataka. Tamil Nadu. Right, so there's still about 10 minutes of time left in this effort of ours this evening. Let's see who's going to grace our frame. Yeah? Yes. Hi bros. You speak Telugu, English, Hindi, Marathi?
No, I speak only Telugu English.
Only Telugu and English. Okay, today we will tell, okay? Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching this minuscule effort of ours.
Thank you for watching this minuscule of ours.
Thank you for watching this small effort of ours.
Thank you for watching your small effort of ours.
We will see you next week again.
We will see you next week again.
Till then.
Till then.
Please don't forget us.
Please don't forget us.
And remember us by liking or subscribing.
By remember us liking or subscribing.
In YouTube.
In YouTube. Thank you.
Thank you. Very good. Very good. Thank you. Still about 10 minutes of time left in this frame of ours. Should we stick around or pack up? I think we should stick around for 10 minutes. Hi Thambi. இந்த கண்ணாடி யார் வாங்கி கொடுத்தாங்க? Thank you. நம்ம சேனல் வேணாமா வேணாண்ணா ஓகே விட்டுருங்க ஓகேண்ணா ஓகே ஓகே புரியல இல்லை வேணாம் நோ ப்ராப்ளம் ப்ரோ அவங்க கொஞ்சம் ஷை டைப்பில் ப்ரெஷர் பண்ணக்கூடாது ரைட் ஸோ திஸ் மைட் பி த டைம் when we sign out from this useful effort of ours which is called Goodman Pandey. Hopefully I will be sticking around in this effort of mine. Let's see for how long.